question.
All right,
Would you ever damage an ex's property, belongings, or anything after a breakup if you found out they're cheating, even if it was a bad, whatever the case
Nope,
is?
because you're gonna get caught up 100%.
Let's ask Errol. Actually, this question's for Errol.
You did it?
From the top. Hi. Okay, so today what we're gonna do is Korean barbecue. We got some seaweed salad, chicken, kimchi or whatever. We're sipping on some soju, but we're just gonna ask each other some questions and see how we respond. So I don't know who wants to start.
You're horrible.
What?
Dina, I got a question for y'all. Let me ask, okay? Would you ever date your best friend's ex?
Would I ever do?
No, I would never.
Otavio has.
Whoa,
Who?
who?
I'm
Who?
just kidding.
Oh. I was like,
You're like, whoa, whoa,
hell
whoa,
no.
whoa. You know what I mean?
I
Oh my god, you can comment on there, bro.
Hey,
I
bro,
would
come,
never. I don't.
Bro, before.
Girl, money.
Okay, no. I wouldn't, just because I wouldn't want that done to me. I felt that's very shady. So,
So shady about it.
what's
Care
shady
your best
about
friend?
it?
You care about your best friend like that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Shut
you don't
up.
want to be happy?
Oh my bad. I totally don't got no best
You don't care
friend.
about yourself or anybody else?
Wow. Happiness about everything. HOE.
Now, I got a question. And I want to answer it first. But anyways, would you ever date more than one person at the same time? Now, there's different definitions to dating. When I think dating, I think talking, casually hanging out with them.
I don't think talking is dating.
I mean, what's dating? Like going out as a boyfriend or girlfriend? You didn't say like, would you? I mean, what would you define as dating? Because right now, if I go on a date, that's dating. No, but I date multiple people at the same time. If we're just going on dates and nothing exclusive, then yes, I would. But as a boyfriend, no.
Would I have more than one boyfriend? No.
I wouldn't have
Would
more
I
than one
talk
boyfriend.
to multiple people?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
But dating multiple, that's dating though. Talking.
No?
Bro, I mean texting does not mean we're talking. I mean, we're hanging out.
So what? You
does
wouldn't
not
go
mean
on? You wouldn't go on dates with different guys?
Yes, I would.
So that's dating. So
No,
you would
we're-
date multiple
We're
people.
just kicking it.
So boyfriend and dating.
Wait, you don't think that's dating?
Going
Talking
on
to
a
multiple
date?
people?
That's dating.
Going on a date to me.
Right now, I am dating. What? Am I not dating? I'm dating
What?
now.
Bro, what? Wow,
No,
what date?
no.
You think you're someone's girl?
Okay, first of all, I'm going on
we're
a second
dating.
date with somebody
We're
else.
talking.
Oh my god.
We're talking now. We hung out once.
Yeah.
We've been texting all night long. Alright, I have another question for you guys though. Would you guys ever date your coworker's ex? Like pretend someone that you're like
Bro,
really
I
Yes.
don't mess
I
with
never-
coworkers ever. That's my number one
You
code.
said coworker's ex.
I know. I said I just don't want to date my coworker.
You're my acquaintance, bro.
Oh, okay.
But you're not that coworker's ex. Are you guys like, is it going over your head?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I never even met my coworker.
Yes.
Like, what?
We're in a pandemic. We all work from
I
home.
don't know what kind of question you have,
I mean,
but that's the wrong one.
Oh
guess.
god.
Are you gonna answer this? Would you, Christina? You're
I'm
you're
not
off the
talking about
card.
Who the hell are my?
know who they
Dude,
are.
my coworker's like 50, 60, 70. Hell no.
Bro, I have this one ex-coworker. If her and her man broke up, I would date him.
Hey, shoot your shot right now.
Do I know who it is?
Yeah, you know, I told you, he's fine. Shout out to her.
You're
though.
stupid, bro.
I mean, you know, I'm not.
Hey, he pulled up to the house a month ago.
Who?
You know who?
Tavi, that's stating the obvious.
No.
Huh.
Anyways.
Yeah. Anyways, real talk. Would you just ever go on the Bachelor, Bachelorette?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah.
I
I
mean,
just want to win.
No, as in you'll be the Bachelor. Oh wait, no, I don't know.
I'm a
Or
bachelorette.
Either or.
Yeah.
I don't know.
No.
I don't
I
know.
can't do it either. I'd rather be on Amazing Race.
How would you?
What?
I'd rather be on Amazing Race.
Is that just still a thing?
Bro,
Yeah,
you
dude,
gotta
I was watching it the
You
other
gonna
day.
lose round one.
Hell no.
Hell
Can't
yeah,
run
bro.
for shoes.
Let's see.
bro.
All right. Would
Yeah,
you guys
wipeout.
ever lie about how much money you make to a person?
Yes.
Hell yeah,
Yeah.
bro. When I was working at McDonald's, I was working at McDonald's.
All right. Where you working at? Not McDonald's, bro. Hell
I was
no.
like,
The tips 400
hey, y'all
coming
know
up to the
that's
bank.
hella funny, but a long time ago,
It's not
I used to talk to, no, I used to talk to this boy
Mm.
when I worked at Leatherby's and McDonald's. And I told him, I was like, oh, I can't stay late. I have to wake up hella early. Because I have really early. I was like, I gotta be at work at 6 a.m. He's like, Jane, Leatherby's get you started at 6 a.m.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah. I was like, gotta go. Then I already McDonald's. I was like, oh, God.
Was that, wait, you were working at both jobs at the time?
Yes. I was like, I have to go to work. And he was like, damn. He's like, Leatherby's got you started at 6 a.m. I was like, yeah.
I don't know why I've never been embarrassed about working at McDonald's. I think when I got hired, I literally posted it. But I think I'd rather have people know than
think
people
I-
find out. You know?
I
No?
was in high school.
Well,
so I
also
didn't
it's
really care.
Fun fact, we all worked at the same
Fucking
McDonald's
American.
at different times. But
Yeah, it was our first job. Shout out to McDonald's.
Didn't at one point we all worked there at one
I think us three.
no, I never worked with you. I worked with him. And then you left, and I worked with Christina separately.
You never worked
I
Wait,
worked
I
with
never
you.
worked with you.
I worked with
you.
Jessica before.
I never worked with you.
I only worked with Octavio and Jessica.
I worked with Jessica before that.
Yeah.
Basically back to like, you know how stuff about coworker and stuff. Did you guys ever flirt with your boss?
I always do.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Boss is a manager. Manager, not like boss. Like at the restaurant I used to work at, I used to flirt with. Like, okay, no, I wouldn't. What?
For those who don't know, we have a dog and he's pretty much whimpering right now to go outside.
Yeah,
That's a
we
lot.
love him.
What?
That's a what?
You never had to sit down before?
No,
Really?
that's the
We
first
always
time.
Huh.
His name is Fada.
Dude, but honestly,
You
nah,
never
hell no,
done that.
I probably wouldn't flirt with my boss. That's how I'm getting in trouble. I'm gonna get caught up.
Oh, what? You think Adrian gonna call you? You scared?
Dang, I think we're
I'm
all
gonna get
built
fired.
different. Cause I'm
I
over
make,
here like,
more, I
yes.
make more money than all y'all together.
Whoa. Oh my God! Please
So you
calm
know,
down.
y'all gotta calm
Had to
down.
cut
I
it
can't
off.
be flirting
It
up with
was
no
too
boss.
personal.
Oh Lord!
Somebody's cocky over here. He
Yeah.
got a haircut today, and all of a sudden he's just on
Oh
top
my
of the
God!
world.
Yeah, that's what's up with the backwards hat.
Sheesh. Y'all thought I was looking cute and shit. Sheesh.
Sorry,
I'm gonna throw up.
I'm gonna throw it to you. I won't throw this dog at you. Ever. Go out with somebody you really, really, really like, even though you know they have a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Would you ever be a side piece? Really?
I think we should be asking you that question. Would you ever be a side piece?
The last time we checked.
I said we checked.
piece.
She
You
said
got-
I'm the mashed potato. Answer.
What's that one lyrics?
It's either yes or no.
The lyrics.
No. But I think everybody you meet for the first time, you will automatically be the side piece.
Yes, I
But
believe
you
that's
have, you have to sit in the back seat before you get to the front.
true. For you.
I swear P. Diddy said that.
Okay, maybe for you. But yeah, I believe that. Anybody you talk to, there's always gonna be another person in their life.
Yeah.
Whether it's a toxic ex or whatever. Would I ever be a side piece knowingly? No. Never. I'm number one. I'm the main one.
Oh, Lord.
Period.
Oh, yeah, you think you got it like that?
You want me to hold them?
I do got it like that.
Sure. Here.
That's why I got your friends from high school in my DMs. The heck?
Ooh.
Period.
Oh, wow.
Sheesh, you better tell
And
your
I'm
old
better than
friend to
that.
bust
That's why she made
out.
you block me. You're hurt. I'm hurt.
Alright. Would you ever go out with somebody who had parents that didn't like you?
No.
Well, I mean,
Yeah.
we're already going
Yeah.
out, and then we meet them, and then they just don't like me like then, or they just don't like me from the very start.
I'm about to ask for their blessing. They're gonna smack me up in my face.
Like, they just don't like you, like,
I don't know. We
like
should
they
ask you
just
that.
don't like you.
What, you
You're
know
like,
shit?
she's like nervous. She's like,
No.
Yeah, how about you
Stop
answer
talking
that,
to my
huh?
sister like that.
Why
I
don't you
mean,
answer
we're
that?
kidding.
Anyways, I don't like this question. Do you guys have any other questions you want to ask? Or is that it?
She asked a question.
Actually, I have a question.
All right,
Would
last
you
one.
ever damage an ex's property,
No,
belongings, or
no.
anything after a breakup if you found out they're cheating, even if it was a bad, whatever the case
Nope,
is?
because you're gonna get caught up 100%.
Let's ask
Yeah,
Errol.
it's not-
Actually, this question's for Errol.
You did it?
I'm just kidding.
What'd she do?
She
What'd
would
she do?
never.
Slash the tires?
No, I wish. I never did that.
I did
You
hear
did
it.
something?
I have done something. He knows though.
You didn't call the cops on you?
No.
No, hell no.
Damn, bro. I would've
What do you?
knocked out
Alright,
real
alright.
quick.
Let's just.
We
you
ain't
guys-
did it. I would've
hold
knocked you
on.
out real quick.
You guys know who I am, how I am. What would you guys think I did? I just want
Broke
to
their window. Broke something related to their car.
Dang, really?
Yeah. Hell yeah. You did it. I know you did it. I know you did
Here,
it.
here, that's it, that's it.
I already know.
Yeah.
Now I already know too.
No.
Girls would target their car. I already know
Yeah,
my
it
current
was a
girlfriend. She
car.
would.
It was a
Murder my car.
brand new Camaro. I was playing.
Stop it.
No.
It was a joke. It was a joke.
You said you wanted to be natural, and now you don't accept me for who I
He was
am.
a cheater. He deserved it anyways.
Yeah.
As
you
he
know who
should
you
have.
are.
And you know what he did? He got a new one anyway, so it's fine.
Exactly.
It's fine.
And I told you I did it, and you didn't care.
And you still took her back.
Exactly.
As you should have.
Period.
Good night, y'all. I think we should close it on that.
What's going on?
So what we have right here, ladies and gentlemen, we have some pork belly. This is from the belly of a pork. And down. Salud.
Huh? Yeah, well, hell no.
Salud. Salud.
Hold on.